Oakley dokley, we are looking at rotational symmetry today. You've had a go at finding lines of symmetry. When you were doing that, that was called reflectional symmetry or reflection symmetry. And the way to remember that is that it's like seeing a reflection in a mirror. So you see the same side of the shape on either side of the line of symmetry. And rotation actually means to turn. So there's clues in these maths words that help us remember what they mean. So I've got the fidget spinner and 2 USBs here. We're going to look at the green fidget spinner first. To work out whether a shape has rotational symmetry, the best thing to do is to trace it, which is what I've done. Put the shape back on. I have then marked the shape here so we remember where we're up to and see how far and how many turns I can give to the object until it matches back to its own shape. Let's have a go. So if I start turning it that way, no, it's not matching back to its own shape. If I keep going and stop, it's matched back to its own shape again. Let's go again. It has matched back to its own shape again. And again, back where we started. So we would say that this shape has rotational symmetry to the order of 3. You can turn it 3 times and it matches back to itself. Let's have a look at the USB where I've taken the cap off. I did the same thing. I've traced it. So you will need to find some shapes and trace them. And then I'm going to turn the USB. I don't need to mark it because I can see that I'm looking at the metal bit. Does it fit? Does it fit? Does it fit? No, 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 no. It doesn't fit until we get right back to where we started. So we say that this has an order of 1. And you really have to turn it 360 degrees before it gets back to its own shape. Let's have a look at the blue one. I've put the lid on this USB. I've traced it. And let's see if we turn it, how many times it matches back to itself. Quarter turn, no. A half turn, yes. Another quarter or 3/4, no. Back to where we started, yes. So this one has an order of 2. You can turn it 2 times and it matches itself. Can you see a link between this and the lines of symmetry? See if you can work out if there's a link between rotational symmetry and reflectional symmetry. Read the rest of the instructions on your slide. You're finding shapes around your house that you can check to see if they've got rotational symmetry. You could use the shapes that you cut out last week. That's fine. Have a go at it.